Alright guys, welcome to this episode. We're in the CRV. We're going to let it rip in the snow. We have a few problems along the way, but we get it figured out and we get it ripping. Let's go. Alright guys, you can see behind me it's definitely snowy. I am in the heavy equipment, big old backhoe. I'm going to push my driveway in on my new rocks that I just got, so I can actually get back to the garage and hopefully get the battery and get the CRV out. And we got a fresh field of puffy snow. Alright, new battery, snow shovel tool, get to the CRV, unbury it, put the battery in it. And I gotta do something for the turbo, so let's see if the filter on the EF sedan will work, hopefully, so it won't suck up too much water. Filter over there did not fit onto here. We're gonna send it open. I might go get my bumper. Maybe it'll help stop some of the splash up. I'll start it up. I haven't started it up for a little while. New battery. Snow's off the front. It's a rip. Okay, so the fuel pressure, I was only getting around 10 pounds, which is ridiculous. So once I actually got fuel pressure and I could run, like, it did pretty good. And we had some fun. And there's no water really in the turbo, so that's good. I was afraid it was splashing up this way, so I went the other direction. You can see it, I got some pieces up there. might be out of gas. It's been sitting for a few months. Starting up every once in a while. The fuel pump. No, not the fuel pump. Crappy eBay Walboro. Bite you in the butt, guys. It's supposed to be genuine, but they sent me a fake one from China, it looks like. So yeah, be careful which one you buy. Check the part number, or get it from a legit seller so you don't get screwed on the fuel pump. So yeah, I was only pushing 5, so hopefully we can make it work. Or 10 psi. That's crap. Got 5 gallons of premium. We're gonna go fill it up, see how it goes. Goes out of fuel. Let's do this. All right, maybe it's just out of gas. Maybe the fuel gauge doesn't actually work. Go figure. Well, that's better. Having a little fuel. I may have gotten there a little hot, guys. She's cooking. Woo! That rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive Burnout did not do good. Don't forget, the sucker does have a blown head gasket. So I just think it's really blown now. Wow, I don't want it to blow up on me, but oh, she's steaming good. There you go, man. There you go. Not a bad way to end the day.